Here on the left we have an inequality containing two variables, both an x and a y, and we're going to graph this on a coordinate plane which contains both an x and a y axis. The first thing we want to do is isolate y in the inequality. We first want to get this x to cancel, so let's subtract x from both sides. This is the result, but we always want y to be a positive 1, so now we have to divide all three terms by -1. One thing to watch when solving inequalities is if you ever divide by a negative number, you have to change the direction of the inequality sign. After we divide, this reverses and we have y is less than x plus 3. Now let's write our solution in set builder notation. We open a brace, write our variable and then a straight line, and then we write our solution set. This is red, the set of all y, such that y is less than x plus 3. Now we're ready to graph our inequality, and I'm going to use the slope and y-intercept. Our slope is m, the number in front of x, and b is the y in the y-intercept. We know that the line will cross the y-axis at 3. You can think of it as b is where you begin. We make a point at 3. Then we go up 1 and right 1 and make a second point where we stop. Now we're ready to draw a line through these 2 points. Because our inequality is less than and it doesn't have the equal, our line will be a broken line. Here is the line of our graph, but because we're solving an inequality, we have to shade the side where the solutions are. So let's select a point from the upper side. Let's select the point 0, 4. Here is 0, 4 on the graph, and now we want to substitute these values in the inequality. Here we put in the values for x and y, and now let's multiply. Next we combine like terms. It says that -4 is greater than -3, but this is not true. -4 is not greater than -3. So we know not to shade this side. Now let's select a point from this side of the graph. Let's select the point 0, 0. Here we're substituting the ordered pair n for x and y. And now we want to solve. First we multiply. Next we combine like terms. And we have 0 is greater than -3. This is true. 0 is greater than -3, so we know that this side that this point's located on will be the side that gets shaded, and this is where the solutions are located. Here we've shaded the side where 0, 0 is located. Any point that's on this side of the graph will also be a solution to this inequality. It includes every point up to this line, but it does not include the points on the line because it's broken. If this were a solid line with the equal, it would also include the points on the line.